broke it! Why did you do it so hard?
The goal of this video is to find a few kitchen gadgets that may solve some of my problems that I've been having. I'm not good with a knife.
Neither am I cut myself.
Yeah, look at that. That's what's gonna happen to you if you don't know how to use your knife. I'm thinking, like, you ever seen those slap chops? Something that's gonna make cutting easy. So I'm thinking, I'm just gonna type in slap chop because that's the name of the brand that I know. Or a food chopper, huh? Fine.
Get one that matches the kitchen, like with nickel. Sorry, we're moving, so.
We are moving February 14th, stay tuned. I like this one though, cause like, look at this.
No,
It's got 5,717 views, or reviews, and it is 20 bucks. Let's just take a look at it. Let's keep it open.
Look down. Okay.
But look, it's got different colors. Look, here's black. Black goes with everything. Look at this. Look at this.
Just look at it. Yeah, well. What the heck is that?
Yeah, you changed it and now it's $20.97.
Well, it's a different color. Oh well. That's an add to cart. All right, so now that we have the wannabe slap chop in the cart, what else do we need?
I've seen those before. I like those.
Should we get one of these?
Yeah, do they come in black?
Let's see. So this is a
It does come in black.
over the sink colander. Let's give it a shot. It's got hella reviews. Shane, look, it was on BuzzFeed.
Wow.
So that's a add to the cart. What else do we need? Let's go kitchen gadgets again. Let's keep looking. What is this? It's got 46,000 reviews.
You need one.
You think I need one?
Yeah.
A potato masher? They got it in Tiffany blue. It's in black?
Yes.
Okay.
Black is cheaper anywho.
And for $10, that's going in the cart. So we have our 3 items. She says that I shouldn't spend any more money. So $48.95. Let's give it a shot.
Yeah.
3 days later.
Ah. Okay, so this slides to, I guess, fit your sink. So it fits something like that. Okay.
That's cute.
It is cute. I feel like it's sturdy. I think we should try to wash something with it. You know what I mean?
Wait, you need to wash that first. Wait, what did you think? You need to wash it?
Yeah, I think you're right.
Try to clean stuff in it.
You're right.
And it's been all around the world.
You're right.
Shan, 1. Cam, 0.
So now that it's all washed,
What was that? You just broke it. Why did you do it so hard?
next product. I don't even know what to call this, our fast chopper. It says here, it's our slap food chopper, which that's basically just slap chop. Okay, it's got some pretty slick design. Like
You got it in black.
Yeah, I got it in black, and that's because of you. Oh, and you can see, like, you just push down those blades, but it feels pretty, like, sturdy. It feels nice. Maybe it won't break like the colander did. All right, so let me start by cleaning this thing, huh? All right, now that it's clean, I got a little condensation or steam on the side there. Apparently, I guess you could stick the whole unit inside the dishwasher. I'm not sure how that works. Maybe I'll read the instructions, maybe I won't. No, that's too big, isn't it? So I feel like you've got to kind of like you got to pre-cut your stuff just a little bit. But like if I have it like this, can't I just like... Oh yeah, I think if it can
Let's not
lay
break
flat,
this one, okay?
if it can lay flat, and then you can just...
Whoa.
That's interesting.
That's actually pretty cool.
That's kind of cool.
But you know what I'm thinking about? How are you gonna clean that?
It says you can stick in the dishwasher, bro. I think it's more for like if you want something diced or like minced. But like this right here, it's like, okay, I need this cut up. Bam, 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 bam. But like, I feel like it didn't even cut through. I mean, I don't know.
Maybe it's strictly for onions.
Maybe it's strictly for onions. Let's give it a shot with an onion. And then we have perfectly minced onion. Wow, look at that. I mean, that's kind of cool, but like I still feel like I still have some chunks here that are not entirely minced, and I'm like, I spent $20 on this. I think it's a return. Nice product. We got our Faberware meat masher. Now, I was under the impression this was a potato masher. I'm surprised at how like rigid this thing is. Like it looks like it's like silicone or whatever, but like that thing, like it's like. We're gonna clean this first, and then I'm gonna see how well it mashes. Now that it's clean, let's give it a shot and see how well it matches, huh? Oh wow.
Cameron.
Honestly, overall, 10 out of 10. This is the best thing that we bought. And this is the only thing I'm not returning.
All right, let's be real. If you made it this far, you probably liked the video, so go and hit the like button for me. And if you want more, check out this video right here where I did a HelloFresh review. And if that's not your fancy, then why don't you check out my newest video right here. Thanks for watching.